Hi, good morning guys. Ayan, today is Sunday. Pang ilang araw namin. Dumating kami dito Friday ng hapon, siguro mga 4 o'clock. And then, uh, and then kahapon, Saturday. So, bali pangalawang araw ng buo kami dito sa campsite. At, ayan, tapos lang nating maligo. Ang pagpaligo dito sa shower, kailangan may 20 pence. Maraming 20 pennies. Ako kasi madami, ang buhok ko kasi mahaba, kaya 60p ang naano ko nahulog. Pero kung katulad ng mga lalaki, ano lang, shower, 20p or 40p. 20p. So, okay. David is there. David? Oh, you're there. Oh. Yan, si David naglalakad ng mga aso. And then, it was a misty, misty morning. Like, you can't see. Maganda ngayon kasi nakikita mo na. Medyo nakikita mo na yung ibang ano. Yan, pero yung kita nyo, it is misty. You cannot see. Yeah. So, yan. Pero, okay lang hindi malamig kasi ang forecast ngayon talaga maaraw. Pag banda hapon na, banda hapon na, maaraw na. Katulad kahapon, nung hapon na maganda na ang araw. So, yan, makalat lang tayo. Siyempre, sorry. Yung bed namin makalat pa, hindi ko naayos pa. Kasi, pagbangon namin, nag-almusal kaagad kami, and then nag-shower ako. Then, siyempre, nasa campsite. So, then, yan, yung mga, yan. Kasi, wala kaming, hindi namin dinala yung cooler na di kuryente. So, yung cooler yan, ginamit namin. Wala kaming, yung color black ice black ba yun, yung blue na parang square, tapos nilalagay sa freezer para mag-ice siya. Ginawa ko, meron kaming mga butilya na naka-freezer doon sa bahay, buti ng so recycle again. Ganyan talaga ako. Yan yung mga katulad nito, nilalagyan ko siya ng tubig, and then nilalagay ko sa freezer. May freezer sila dito na pwede kang maggamit. And tulad dito kay Pepper at Peanut to, hindi naman ginagamit. So may tubig ito sa loob. Freezer namin. So, kakukuha ko lang nung iba kanina. So itong mga iba, ilalagay ko mamaya pagkatapos ko lang mag-ayos kasi magsusuklay muna ako. Diyos ko po. Yan, tapos yung mga dala namin yung air fryer, there's kettle, syempre may kuryente, tapos electric hub, and then meron tayo yung aking tripod nandito. Ginamit ko to kahapon pag ng sunset. And may bigay ito ng aming friend, birthday present or Christmas present. Pag pinapress to, di ba na ilaw? So, ilaw dito sa pinaka kusina entrance. So, dito naman, meron tayo nito. Pwedeng, siya, speaker at saka light. Ito. And then, syempre, yung ating ring light, nandyan. Yan. Ang masaklap kasi, dinala ko, may internet dito, pero hindi siya gaanong kalakasan. Dinala ko yung aking laptop para sabi ko, pwede ako magsumba dito. Kaya, nagdala ako ng mga ganto, yung mga shorts na ginagamit ko pag nagsusumba ako. Diyos ko po, yung yung charger nakalimutan ko. So, ayan, wala. Sabi ko kay David, hiramin ko yung phone niya pag once na in the morning. Hiramin ko yung phone niya. Yun ang gagamitin kong, kasi gumagaya lang ako niyan sa YouTube. Yun ang gagamitin kong pang YouTube. And then yung phone ko, ito ginagamit ko, gagamitin kong pang film or pang record. So yan. Iwan ko kasi kanina nagising ako ng maaga. Si David kasi maaga nang nagigising. kanina 7 o'clock gising na. Yung ibang mga campers mga tulog pa, pero kami gising na. Yan. So yan ang ating update ngayon. Today is Sunday. Relax relax. Naghihintay din kami ng aming may friend kami na pupunta dito, pero hindi sila mag-stay sa campsite. Mag-rent yata sila ng B&B, Airbnb, or katulad nung ginawa nila noon, nung last year ba yun? I don't know, I can't remember. Last year yata yun na nag-rent sila ng Airbnb, tas kami dito nag-camping din. Pero hindi ito yung space na kinampingan namin. Nandito kasi kami sa kanto. Nagustuhan kasi ito ni David kasi malapit. Ayan. Ayan dito. Hindi naman makita kasi ano ba yan, yung misty, tapos yung kinampingan namin noon doon banda, kita, hindi nyo makita, basta doon banda, doon. So yan na muna ang ating update ngayon, at thank you so much sa panonood lagi sa ating mga upload, kahit na hindi maganda, basta nag-upload lang ako. It's na rin highlight sa ating buhay na simple lang. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you in a bit. Hello ulit guys. May naganap doon sa sa dagat. Ayun. Narinig niyo yan? Nagro-rowing yung ganyan. Teka, ihaharap ko kayo doon. Yan guys, ako kung nakikita nyo. Yan oh. Ayan, may naglalag, may nauuna oh. Look at that. Right guys, ayun na guys oh. Kikita niyo, hindi ko gaano makita kasi masyadong maliwanag. Basta yun doon may naglalayag. Ayun, tapos yung nauuna nandun na oh. Doon banda oh. Not yet. Yes. Hello guys. Ayan na naman. Naglalakad na lang po tayo. Mabalik na lang po tayo sa beach na paborito ni David. Yan. Ni David yan. Look guys. David's glasses have a window point. Hello guys. Ayan, low tide ngayon. Kaya kami pumunta dito sa ganitong oras. Para makapagtakbo-takbo si Pepper at si Peanut doon sa beach. Yan, low tide. Let's go there. What's that? No. You just head up. But this way. Come on, let's go this way. David is coming this way. Come on. You know. Hi, Kai. So, nandito na kami sa beach. Yan, may nagaganap dito. What's the event?
It's a rowing race.
A rowing race?
Yes.
Just an ordinary rowing race. Yan, yung kanina, yung yung nakita namin kanina doon sa doon sa may tent, nandito na sila. Oh. Ang saya kasi anong araw. Maaraw. Hello, Peanut! How are you, baby? Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Hello, Peppa! So, yan. Maganda dito pag low tide kasi ano talaga, hanggang dito siya. Ganda, oh. Eh, kahit yung mga sasakyan nasa ano. What? So, yan, guys. Your window is open. Yan. Yan ang mga rowers. Umano na sila. Ah, nandito na sila. Ayan na. Ayan yung ano nila. Oh, this is just two.
What?
Two rower.
No? Two on each side.
Ah, so yan. Ito yung nakita namin kanina. Ito. Ah. Tata Pina! This way! Ah, so yan pala yan. Ano, blue sky talaga ngayon, guys. As in. Ngayon ang pinakamagandang araw, bukas medyo. The event. And then bukas naman. Bukas medyo hindi siya ganito ang araw. Ngayon ang pinakamagandang araw. Peppa, Pina. Peppa. Come on this way. David is here. So yan si David nagtatanong kung anong event ang meron. Tapos ang daming Good girl! Come here, good girl. That's good girl. Peppa have a Sunday off. So guys, nandito na po tayo sa may mga mga rowing boats. Pero wala na yung mga nag-roro. Umano na sila, umahon. So yan. Merong bagong naman dyan. Yan. Ay, pupunta kami doon. Doon naakyat kami doon and then iikot daw kami papunta doon. Then kami doon sa may ice cream man. Okay. Nat, don't go. Look at that, guys. This way, come on, this way. We're going this way. This way, come on. Come on. Nata, come here. Peanut. Then I put you in the lead now. Dah. Mag-uumpisa na. Ayan na ang flag, oh. Kita niyo yung flag? That's a Welsh flag. And nakataas and then mag-uumpisa na sila. Ayan na, nag-umpisa na yon. Susundan yata nila yung boat. Yung black na boat. Yes. And they're off. It's nicely to do that. Yeah. So yan guys, bali doon tayo nang galing. Aakyat tayo doon. Doon. Ayan, so, nandito na po tayo. Sa footpath lang po tayo. Daming dito. But, she doesn't want to. So, dito lang po tayo sa footpath. I think we walked here me and Ate Remy before. I'm sure Ate Remy will be happy to do for a walk again. Yan. Naihi sa Pinas. So, doon po tayo nanggaling at akyat po tayo dito. Private to pero pag sa footpath lang okay lang. So nice. Nice stream. She's having a wing. Okay. Come on.
Come here.
She sat on the sand. Ang ganda dyan. So, akyat po tayo dito. So, dito po yung footpath. Ayan. Diyan ay private sa Pinas. Dito tayo sa footpath. Ayan. Shiwi! Oops! And she do it like that. So, dito na naman po tayo sa Kakahuyan. After sa beach. Yan. Mga caravan po dyan sa baba. Caravan. Holiday. Caravan. Caravan. Yung bag na pala nadala ni David akin yan. Siya ang dala. So, dito na tayo. So, yan, dito po tayo. Babalik po tayo sa beach. Mas maganda kasi maglakad sa beach dahil low tide. It's low tide at saka maaraw. If it's high tide, we can... She sat like twice. She sat twice. Just sat. Maganda kasi. Diba? And then after until what time is the low tide?
4 hours after 4 hours.
Come on, Peanut. Come on, baby. So yan, pababa po tayo. Pabalik sa beach. Yan, ang gaganda ng mga buttercup. Do you want to leave one of those ones there? This one is not a bit, the one at the top is nice. This caravan is a bit hiding. Hidden? Oh, hidden. Oh, but you can still, oh, look at it. Huh? Because there's a lot of things in my ears. Yan.
One side means she's married, and the other side means she's single.
Which
But I don't
side?
know which side.
Oh no.
If a Hawaiian man comes up and starts kissing you, you might think
Look,
that
meron
they're
akong
both-
buttercup sa aking tainga.
Yes.
Tinta ba na ice cream, Pina? So, bababa po tayo dito. Umikot lang tayo. Low tide naman kasi. So, okay lang maglakad sa beach. Pero kung high tide, doon tayo sa kalsada, doon sa bukid. Come on, Peanut. Come on. Come on, baby. We're going down this way. Come on. So yan, nakabalik na po tayo dito sa beach. What's happening, Peppa? Tina. Nag-ice cream kami after namin naglakad. Oh. David got the chocolate and I've got the
Dragon's blood.
dragon's blood.
In Wales, dragons.
Mm.
Welsh dragon.
Mm. Yeah. Mm. So yan, dahil mainit po ngayon, nag-ice cream kami. Pero medyo malamig doon sa sa beach. Sa akin, para sa akin. Mm. Mm. Very nice. Ayun guys, yung rowers. Nag-start na pala sila. Pupunta sana kami kay kami sa start nila. Nag-start na pala sila. So, David, a car. Car. Oh, it's in there. So, yan. Where are they going? Where are you going, Tina? Ayan. Ayan na sila yan. Ayan, so doon po kami nag-ice cream sa likod. Doon. At babalik na po tayo papunta sa campsite. Hi, guys, pauwi na po tayo. Nandito na tayo sa my field na marami ang tupa. Yan. Yeah. Yung yung mga rowers nandoon. Naririnig namin yung ingay pero hindi gaano nakikita. Can you hear them? Have you got a binocular? They're all up there. Layo nila. Binocular ni David. Teleskopyo. Grabe yung doon, yung speedboat. So they're coming back now to the... Ay, okay. Uwi na po tayo dahil na kapag namasyal na tayo sa beach, then nag-ice cream, at nakapanood ng mga nagro-row the boat, tang tadang tada. Yan. Ayan si David. Nanonood. Ba yan? Ito ba yan? Saan ba si David? Ayan. Ayan pala si David. Yan. Yan, masama yata ang tiyan ni Peanut kaya kumakain siya ng damo. She's eating grass. Come on. Come on. Peanut. Bye. Right, guys. So, dito kami pupunta out. Tingnan namin. Instead na doon kami dadaan sa dinaanan namin kanina. Titingnan namin dito sa corner kung pwede kaming dumaan. So, doon po tayo nang galing. Doon, sa beach na yun na maganda. Yan. So, tingnan natin sa corner. Tingnan natin. Yan. Punta tayo dito. Saan yung aking microphone dito? So, yan. Dati dumaan kami dito. Una namin punta, last year. Dito kami dumaan. Yung ko kung pwede pang dumaan. Ito yung lang namin. So, yan. Look, guys, the rowers are coming back now.
Abu Dhabi.
Which one, that one? Abu Dhabi?
The one that's in front.
So, yan. Babalik. Are they going back to that beach there? So, babalik sila. Yan.
Go back and watch them come in. So they've got two girls in the front and two boys.
Yes, sir.
The woman.
Good one, is it?
But the two blokes look like big fellas.
Oh, wow.
The women
They're
are
fit.
small.
They're fit, all of them.
And then the second boat with the white t-shirts, number 123.
Are they 5 as well?
Yeah. It's some sort of Welsh name, I can't read it. So there's a girl with a ponytail at front, and a boy, another boy, and a big fat woman.
Look at that. They're winning. That one, they're winning. There's a big cup.
The second boat, okay, with fins. A girl and a boy, and a boy, and a lady, huge woman. Unity. A man, a woman.
This one, Aman is a starer, isn't it? You can hear.
With
Good.
yellow paddles. Black boat with
Pina,
yellow
it's
paddles.
okay.
Black boat with yellow paddles.
Yeah.
Callum Bin, the man that shouted at his team. Said it's not so far now, come on. Have fun with a blue bird,
So yan.
blonde lady at the front, and a man with
Blue.
blue t-shirt, black arms. Then another man, fat man, and a lady with a green t-shirt. She looks old, but yeah,
She's fit.
she's almost a fit. And the next boat is blasted in. Man, man. Oh no, woman, man, man. The big fat man steering. Oh, they've got disadvantage. Big fat man, you've got to pull along. Blue boat, grey haired, team. 4 people with grey hair.
Which one?
They've got yellow paddles. It's a blue boat with white inside of the boat.
Okay.
They've got yellow stripe on the vest. And then Blodwyn, number 30. They're wearing purple. It's a girl, another girl,
The old girls.
and a man.
Hmm.
There's 3 girls in the boat. Disadvantage.
They look naked. This one at the.
And then number 17, a white boat. 2 men with white t-shirts on in the middle.
Look at this one. Look at
And
this.
a lady with a white hair shouting at them.
The last two. It seems like.
Right, the last 2 is your Siwan
Oh,
and Serial.
they're gonna overtake the other one.
Where's
Look,
Mowbray? Where's Mowbray?
they're going to overtake the other one.
They're trying to make sure they're not left. Well, that team there, that's the old people. The older people. I think this is the old section.
Ah.
I'm sure they split it into age groups as well. To give prizes to them. The best team over 60 years old.
Guys, susundan namin yung yung mga bot. Pag nasundan namin. So, nandoon sila. Oh, nandoon. Ayun. Andon. Doon sila titigil sa beach na pinuntahan namin kanina. Yun. Wala. On. They're all, oh, they'd stop na. There you go. Oh, they stop? Where's the finish line?
Right, that in between the green flag, broke the green flag, and the clubhouse.
Ah,
There's a man in the clubhouse who's been knocking along, and he blows his whistle. And you just hear his whistle as they cross the line.
yeah, yeah.
And then they stop rowing and they go, "Phew." Those two at the back
Mhm.
had a good race between them.
So guys, babalik na talaga kami doon sa ano. Babalik na kami doon sa campsite. Tapos na kaming nanood ng ano rowers. Yan. So nandoon sila yun sa may ulo ko. Doon. Then balik na tayo. Si Peanut, nakatali lang yan sa aking baywang. Para makapag-multitask tayo kapag vlog habang naglalakad. Okay. Yan. So yan po yung view natin. Are we going that way? So, babalik po tayo doon. Whew. Okay, so we'll see you. We will see you in the campsite. Bye for now. Ayan nga pala guys, nakikita na natin yung aming tent nandyan, oh. After ng white. Teka nga. After ng white ba na yan? So yung amin dyan. Dyan yung blue. So, hindi gaanong marami ang doon banda kung saan kami tayo ng tent. Maganda kasi walang gaanong malapit. Mga karaban lang. Karaban yung katabi namin. Yeah, see you there. Hi guys, nandito na po tayo, nakabalik na. So, nandyan na si David nag-a-assemble na ng barbecue thing. Barbecue daw mamaya kasi maganda ang araw pero malamig ang hangin. Oy. Malamig ang hangin. Pero pag nasa araw, tingnan natin. Kahit pa nasa araw, the wind is a bit cold, easy. Yan, so dito sa loob ng tent, medyo mainit. Kasi may hangin na pumapasok pero hindi yung katulad ng hangin na nasa labas na malamig. So yan, si David nag-a-assemble ng barbecue. Si Pepe David! Ayan guys, so luto na po yung ating barbecue ni David. Ayan. Luto na. Kakain na po tayo. Ayan, kakain na po tayo. Kain na po tayo.
I think the injuries are, part of the game, and it's how you deal with those. It's been a difficult end to the season with not playing as much as that. Skeleton with John Stoll. Jim, you're a City fan. Hi, Robbie. Hi, Chris. Hi, Jim. Hi, Jim. Yeah, I just wanted to say how fantastic Rodri has played this season, and not this season, but season on season since he's joined us. You just won the title, Jim. Come on, let's...
What's happening?
I don't know, but Jim's upset him.
Come on.
Yeah, last night. That's when I was watching the sunset.
Today, I've got to say,
Doing
Rodri has
this,
taken the match. He won us the European Cup.
guys, nandito tayo sa beach na alas 9 na pero tingnan nyo.
It's the light.
Yeah. And then may buwan doon sa langit.
Moon on.
Yan, ang ganda naman.
Ano yun?
Ganda
Whale?
ng beach.
Huh? Tingnan the video of
No,
the face.
it's ano,
Wow.
ganda no.
Maliwanag.
Yeah, tingnan mo kung anong oras yung mag- Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa beach. Ayan. Sunset doon. Sunset.